Little heart tutorial. Start by twisting to 3-finger wide single bubbles. Then create 5 consecutive 2-finger single bubbles. Give each single bubble a few extra twists. Prevent the bubble from collapsing. Tie both ends securely in a knot. Continue making 4 small 2-finger single bubbles. A 3-finger single bubble. After completing it, thread through the center of the loop bubble. Lock it between 2 3-finger single bubbles. Continue twisting a 3-finger single bubble. Make 4 more small round bubbles. Tuck it into the single bubble segment at the 3-finger width point. Deflate the remaining gas. Tie a secure knot. Wrap the remaining tail around to secure. Twist the center bubble among 5 small round balloons into a barrier twist. Your heart-shaped balloon is all done.